How to restart your iPhone if it's frozen on the Apple logo. In this video, we'll walk you through how to force restart your device and, if needed, how to enter recovery mode to update or restore it. These steps can help get your device working again, often without losing any of your data. Let's begin with a force restart, which is the first and easiest solution. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo reappears. If your device is still frozen, you'll need to use recovery mode with a computer to either update or restore your device. First, make sure you have a Mac or Windows PC and a compatible cable. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer. If you're using a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, open Finder. If you're on macOS Mojave or earlier, or using a Windows PC, open iTunes or the Apple Devices app. With your device connected, follow the steps again to enter recovery mode. Press and release volume up, then press and release volume down, and finally press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Once in recovery mode, your computer will display an option to update your device. Click Update to download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS. Make sure to keep your device connected during the entire process. You may be asked to review and agree to Apple's terms and conditions to proceed. If the update can't be completed, you'll be prompted to restore your device instead. Keep in mind, restoring will erase your data unless you have a backup. Also, if the update download takes longer than 15 minutes, your device may exit recovery mode automatically. In that case, just repeat the button steps to re-enter. Once the update finishes, your device should restart automatically and return to the lock screen. If you're still having issues, don't hesitate to contact Apple support to speak with an advisor for further help.